Nestled in the Caribbean Sea, Grand Cayman is the largest and westernmost of the three Cayman Islands. It offers a wealth of activities, accommodations, and attractions. Caymans are made up of 3 islands in all: Grand Cayman, Kaiman-Brak, and Little Cayman. These British overseas territories are home to around 50,000 people. Grand Cayman fuses arts with culture, and nature with wonder, to produce the perfect atmosphere. On the west side of the island is award-winning 7-mile beach, a crescent-shaped stretch of sand with infinite possibilities. Come face to face with the inhabitants of Stingray City and you'll leave grinning from ear to ear. Off the beaches of Grand Cayman, you can lose yourself in the luxury of Georgetown, surrounded by traditional architecture and modern treats. Enjoy duty-free shopping for signature brands such as Versace, Tiffany, and Gucci. Or meet native vendors and craftsmen who are always happy to help you find that unique gift. Either way, this is the spot for both global and local treasures. Across the island, the eastern districts of Grand Cayman feature outdoor delights like the rare blue iguanas of Queen Elizabeth II Botanic Park. And be sure to stop and taste the freshly caught fish at nearby restaurants when you're out this way. After all, the flavors are second only to the tales told here.